Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and I'm a photographer based here in Malibu, California. So today's video is one that I did at Point Dume. It was a model elopement call. So this is a couple that's already married and they agreed to come and take some beautiful elopement style portraits at Point Dume. What I want you to pay attention in this video is how I posed the couple not only in the harsh sunlight at the beach because we were working with undiffused light, but also how I positioned them in accordance with the wind because it was a super blustery day at the beach. As usual, this is just a small snippet from the full video, and the full video is up on my behind the scenes membership, which is only $10 a month, so I will link that below and you can go check it out. So let's jump into the video. Alright, perfect. So now let's just do portraits. Couples portraits. Alright. Let's see. I know the wind is like blowing your hair.
I mean, I can do a whole thing. You just have to tell me. I can't see, so you just have to tell me what you want me to do.
Okay. Well, I think I loved that one picture. You two walking hand in hand away from me, and then Daniel, you're gonna look at me over your shoulder. So I want you,
Okay.
I want you two to switch sides. Okay. And then, I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, so we're gonna do this a couple times because I really want to get this one on film.
And I'm not looking at you at all.
No. Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead. All right, look back at me. Okay. All right, come back this way. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up and measure. Hold on, I'm gonna measure a shadow on you. So Dania, turn toward me. Gosh, it's so bright. Okay. Let's see, I just need like a nice shadow. 3200. Let's try it. Okay. Alright, now what I do is I look and see what it looks like on digital.
Oh, smart.
Right? Okay, so 3200. See. Daniel, look back at me. Alright, I'm gonna do 2500.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, it's okay. I'm talking to the camera.
Gotcha.
So that when I'm doing the pictures, I know what settings I use.
Wanted to make sure.
Okay, so 2500 f1.8. Okay, perfect. So just stay like that for a second. Look at me, yes, and keep looking at her. Beautiful. All right, so when you guys are ready, start walking. Oh, sun. Oh, yeah.
At each other.
Okay, so Danny, I want you looking straight forward.
Okay.
Dania, when I tell you to look back at me. Okay, and go ahead. All right, look back at me. Beautiful. Keep looking back at me. Yes. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. Okay. Oh no, I like it that it was flying.
It's okay?
Yeah. Yes. That's why I cut it like that.
I like it. I just didn't know if it was in front of the flowers.
Now you're good. Okay. Oh.
Almost.
You're good. All right, stand super close to each other again. Did your dress get wet?
No. it has a split, so it splits.
Okay.
Do you want it open or not open?
It's fine. It's the dress, yeah.
There you go.
Beautiful. I need to stand farther back.
Feel that?
Yeah, the spray. So nice. Beautiful. All right, now what I want you guys to do, so you're gonna be standing on either side. Danny, I think you get your bouquet now. All right, so Danny on this side, Danya on this side.
Okay.
All right, and you guys are just gonna like run toward each other.
Like full speed or like
Just,
10?
yeah, I mean, don't like, no tackling each other.
Okay.
Football tackle right now. Into the ocean.
Yeah, right? Just, okay, so you're gonna be
Looking at each other and
yeah, looking
okay,
at each other.
and like towards each other, like running towards each other.
Yes.
You hold like this, or you don't.
I want you to hold it, but can you hold the other side, or is there not enough fabric because of the slit?
This side, your side.
Yeah.
Sure, I can hold this side. But
Okay.
it's just gonna open my dress up a bit.
Right, okay, let's switch it
I mean,
then.
I can hold here, but it's still.
Well, because I want to see, yeah, I like that. That's fine. Yeah.
Have a
Okay.
good run.
Yes. Okay, so you're gonna start way farther back,
Okay.
and then, oof. And we're gonna watch the sun because that climb up there is a little rough. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Oh, so beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, that was awesome.
That was cool.
No, stand just like you guys were. I want to get a shot on film.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. Okay. Hold each other just like that. Starting slope is like right in the wrong spot. Oh. All right. I need to swap film rolls. Okay.
I don't know if these are. Okay. I'll walk away.
Okay. So I really like what you guys were just doing with the rest of Malibu in the background. I know, it's wonderful.
For you.
Okay. Okay, so hold on to each other like you just were, but Dania, I want you to swap the bouquet into your other hand. And then I want you both to look out at the ocean. Okay.
Do you want it? Yes.
I want to do like the over
Over my face. Over our faces.
yes.
Okay.
So I don't know how we're gonna do it. If you need to stick this in your hair even, or if we'll just like drape it over and you guys will just,
tell
I
me
think
what
that's
you
what
want.
we're gonna do.
Okay, okay. Or a knife, okay.
Veil,
A
yeah.
knife veil, yeah.
Okay, so you two are gonna stand together.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna have it go over the both of you. So get as close as possible to each other. And then Dania,
Both of us?
yeah, what I'm thinking is maybe hold it lower. So on the other side, hold it low, and then we'll just like toss it over. Sorry. Okay, like this. Okay, I think this is kind of working. Sorry.
No, you're good. I'm just trying to make it so you can get
I don't want to ruin your hair.
Yeah,
His hair or my hair?
Both of it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
My hair is ruined from the wind. I think
Well, that's what I love about Point Doom. Alright, let's fix this.
nice.
Okay. And I want you guys to go like nose to nose, but rotate slightly because I want to catch more of the sun right there. No, I think that's okay. Maybe. Okay.
Do you want me to?
Danny, pinch this.
Yes, put it in my
Other
Sorry.
hand, yeah. Right there, yeah. Okay. Okay, maybe hold it, yeah, like that.
I can hold more of it.
Okay, and then
Like,
Danny, pinch this. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think that's good. Okay. Okay, yes, yes. There we go. All right. Okay. All right, hold on. Film shot 2000.
Eyes closed.
Yeah, closed. Now, Dania, I want you to keep your nose on Dania's temple. Dania, I want you to look at me. So, yes. Yes. And Dania, keep your eyes closed. Yes, for this one. And then soft, gentle, no smile. And look at me. No, you're good. Gorgeous. There we go. Oh, this is so pretty. Beautiful. All right, same shot on film, so keep looking at me. Perfect. Okay. All right, and go nose to nose. Perfect. This Isabella, is there any other shots that you want to get while they have the veil on? Okay, perfect. Let's take the veil off, you guys, now. There we go. And then we'll do like the flying veil one up there.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 6:30 right now. Sunset's at 7:15. So I think I want to get a little close to the rocks.
Right now? Okay.
Right now. Real quick.
Yeah, it's late.
I'm pretty sure it's 7:15. We'll see.
The sunset?
Yes. Okay. So let's really quick go right over here. Okay.
You want us here or you want us here?
Right here. Okay. So, Dan, yeah, let's see. I know the wind is... I think that'll be okay if you guys are kissing. Yeah. No, switch sides. Because the dress, yeah. Kiss and a dip. Not yet. What? Huh? Oh. It's okay. I can't hear. Yeah, just feel whatever's natural. Okay. I don't think it matters. Okay. Just the kiss and a dip. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, and hold the bouquet lower slightly. Yeah, right there. And we're waiting. Perfect. All right, now I want to do another one. All right, so you both are just going to be like holding each other's faces, kissing. Yes. Okay. And kissing. Yes. Let's turn you guys slightly more toward the sun. Right there.
I'm sorry, do you want us like smile kissing?
Yeah, like smile kissing. Smile kissing, yeah. Oh my gosh, I love this. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, with the waves. Okay, and then real quick before, I forgot to get this same thing on film. Cool. So I have to have you guys turn slightly to the ocean again, holding each other's faces. Yes. Kissing with teeth. Beautiful, perfect. All right. Okay.
Okay, let's go.